Okay, so from moving on to the next example, so if you have again any question from our previous examples, you may just have to ask it. Okay, so for example number 4, no, giving you a brief overview about these examples. In here, the example here is we are talking about here um a carboxylic acids, no, and esters. Carboxylic acids and esters. So um di ba yung sa aldehydes at saka yung sa ketones is ang ina-attach natin sa, for example, meron tayong hydrocarbons group, okay, represented by R. This would be hydrocarbon groups, tapos naka-attach yun siya sa CHO, okay, naka-attach yun siya sa CHO ba yun? Okay, tingnan natin. Naka-attach siya sa COH pala. COH. Okay? This would be for aldehydes, no? So, for carboxylic acids naman, instead na CHO, ang i-attach natin is COOH. Okay? Dalawang oxygen, no? COOH. So, is that correct? Tingnan natin. Yes, tama. COOH. Or, we have yung symbol niya na makikita nyo yun siya sa manuals natin, yung O double bonding of oxygen sa carbon, tapos nakaband siya sa another oxygen tapos hydrogen. So ito yun siya. Or tinatawag natin to siya as carboxyl group. Carboxyl group. Yung sa previous is tinatawag nating, ito yun siya. Ito siya tinatawag nating okay, carbonyl. Okay? Carbonyl. Okay? So, yan. Okay. So example number 4, sabi dito, write the IUPAC name of each of the following compounds. So, this one. Okay? So, this is actually a carboxylic acid. Bakit? Kasi, ito yung COOH natin. Okay? COOH. Okay? So, naka-attach siya sa hydrocarbon groups. Ito siya actually sa hydrocarbon. Okay, so again, step number 1, number the carbon of longest chain of carboxylic acids where carboxyl group COOH is connected. Okay, so magna-number daw tayo doon sa longest chain ng hydrocarbon group. Okay, yung carbon niya. Okay, yung longest chain niya. So in this case, ito yun siya. Okay, so we have one, magna-number tayo dyan. Okay, ito yung pinaka-longest chain niya. Including this one, take note. Including, kagaya ng kaninang example natin, include natin yung carbon ng carboxyl group. Okay? So, including this carbon here, so we have 1, 2, 3. So, again, question. Sir, bakit dito tayo nag-start? It is because yung carbon dito is mas malapit dito, or basically, no, as we have stated on our preview or on our manual, sabi dito, automatically, the carbon of carboxyl group is the number 1 carbon. Okay? Kung magna-number ka. So, we have in here 1, 2, 3. The same with aldehydes, yung COH. Yung carbon niya is automatically, yun yung pinaka-first na carbon. For you to be able to count or give the number. Okay? Sabi dito, the carbon of carboxyl group is considered as the first carbon of the long chain carbon. So, as we have said, no? So, step number 2. So, identify the name of ketone. This is not ketone, no? Mali ito. This is not ketone. This is carboxyl acid. Okay? Supposedly dapat. So, identify the name of carboxyl acids by noting the number of carbon of carboxyl group COOH on long chain, no? So, sabi dito, since the carbon of carboxyl group is labeled as number 1, no, as we have stated here in step number 1, the name of the molecule therefore is 1-propanoic acid, or simply as propanoic acid. Okay? So, in this case, since this is 1, 2, 3, so tatlong carbon, so supposedly the name of this one is propane. Okay? Propane. But since this is a carboxylic acids, so instead na propane, ang mangyayari is papalitan natin yung A dito ng OIC, no? OIC at saka natin dadagdagan ng acid. Okay? So mangyayari is propanoic. Okay, OIC tapos dadagdagan natin ng acid. Okay? So yun. So take note that for alcohol, dadagdagan natin ng OL. Okay, for yung E dito papalitan natin ng OL. Yung sa kuan naman, noon. Yung sa tingnan muna natin Yung sa ethers naman, is dadagdagan natin ng tawag dito. Okay? Walang prefix na idadagdag. Yung sa aldehydes, dadagdagan natin ng AL. Papalitan natin yung E ng AL. Yung sa ketones naman is papalitan natin yung E ng ONE or 1. Yung carboxylic acid naman in here is papalitan natin ng OIC tapos dadagdagan natin ng acids. Okay? So yun yung mga prefixes na dapat natin idagdag or okay? Dapat natin gamitin sa carboxylic acids na sa hydrocarbons natin. Okay? So again, if you have any question, clarification, okay, so just ask it to me. I wish that you understand you already understand, or you have your own idea about this discussion. Okay, so that para naman makabawi yung ibang na fail sa midterm natin, so please ask me if you have any question, okay, so that we can answer it carefully. Okay, so that's all. I hope meron kayong natutunan for this short discussion. Then this will be conclude our final coverage. Okay, so inshallah following is yung mga exams natin at saka yung mga quizzes natin. So that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.